Hello everyone, this is going to be a very quick video. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Well, let me see, 8:27 on Black Friday, and I'm just going to pick my 3 new craft day winners, the winners of the $10 gift cards from my new craft day unbagging video that I just posted. I know I didn't give you a lot of time. That's why I put in the thumbnail as well as in the title when you had to comment by. We got 52 comments. I know not everyone used the keyword, but I just want to say that I really enjoyed reading those comments and all the things that everyone's thankful for. Really put a smile on my face. I appreciate you sharing with me the things that made you happy this year in 2024. I wish everybody has an even better year in 2025 and some wonderful holidays coming up as we end and close out 2024. As you can see, I still have my new craft day things here. I have not been back in this room. You know, it's been a rough week for me craft-wise, with getting sick in the beginning of the week, and then yesterday was Thanksgiving, and you know, it was a busy day running Moogie and trying to get her worn out before I went to my brother's, and we had a wonderful, beautiful Thanksgiving dinner. So I hope you guys were able to share if you celebrate with your family. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to picking. So the first thing, I don't know what all this is. It says good morning. Okay, so the first thing that I have to do is I have to pull my video up, which I have done here. And I have to go ahead and, I don't know where my arrow is. I have to copy this address bar. I already have a random comment picker up here. So I'm going to go ahead and paste my YouTube link. I don't know how many times I get to use this. I need to pick 3 people. So we'll see. Okay, so select the filter you would like to use. A keyword. The keyword is thankful. Okay, there's 46 comments that have thankful in it. We're going to go ahead and pick Bella Luna Diamonds. Bella Luna, I am so thankful for my husband, son, and pets. Thank you for sharing that with us. You are a winner of one of the gift cards. Bella Luna, if you could go ahead and send me your email address at Kimbaskrafts. It's in my description as well. It's KIMBASKRAFTS@gmail.com. And the sooner you do it, the better. I can get that over to the people at New Craft Day, and they can go ahead and reach out to you with your code. Okay, so that's our first one. Tammy. Oh, Tammy Simon. I am so thankful for all my friends on YouTube and that I am cancer free. Yes, I am so grateful for that too for you. Many friends have become true and dear friends. I consider you as a true dear friend. I consider you as a dear friend too. I always look forward to our conversations. Thank you for always listening, caring, and giving true advice. Love you, dear friend. Hugs. Hugs back. Yes, girl, you won one. I'm so happy. Okay. So Tammy, I am going to reach out to you on IG to get your email address. So we got one more to go. Elizabeth Warman. I am so thankful for having my doggy beagle Herschel for over 11 years. Yes, Elizabeth. I know you had a little bit of a rough patch there, so I'm grateful to be able to give you this $10 gift card from New Craft Day. New Craft Day, thank you as well. And yeah, thank you for Herschel. You've told me so many stories about him. He's a cutie. All right, awesome, guys. So you guys are all the winners. I'm going to try to reach out to you on other modalities, but I'm going to go ahead and throw this video up as soon as I turn the camera off. Congratulations, you three people. Thank you for participating. Thank you, everyone who participated. And I hope everybody had a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you celebrate, if not, I hope you had a wonderful week. We're coming into the weekend. I hope everybody has a relaxing, fantastic weekend. I will be working, but that's my choice. Okay. So you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care. Keep diamond painting.